In this video, let me show you 7 different type of morning breakfast which you can easily make at home. Some of these breakfasts are really easy while others may take a while. So let's get started. For the first breakfast option, you will need sweet potatoes. Make sure all the pieces you are buying are of equal size. This will really help in even cooking of these sweet potatoes. Take a pressure cooker. Now before you add your sweet potatoes in the pressure cooker, try to keep something on the bottom of the pressure cooker. We want to steam these sweet potatoes rather than boiling. So I am using a steel bowl with a lid and I will just keep it on the bottom. Add 1 cup of water and close the pressure cooker. If your sweet potatoes are really thick, wait for 6 to 7 whistles, but for thinner ones, 3 whistles are enough. I have waited for 6 whistles here. Once your pressure cooker cools down naturally, open it carefully. Before you start peeling your sweet potatoes, take a knife and make sure your sweet potatoes are cooked properly. Mine were fully done, so I will peel them off. Now cut this in smaller pieces. Add some black salt and lemon for even better taste and enjoy, guys. This is quite healthy and one of the quickest morning breakfast. For the next breakfast, you will need corn. Since it's a corn season, so it's quite easy to find fresh corn. Take a pressure cooker once again and wash your corn. Now once again, if you want a great flavor, try not to dip your corn in the water. So add something on the bottom of the pressure cooker. I am using a idli plate here. If your corn doesn't fit in the pressure cooker, you can break it into half. Add 1 cup of water. Add half a teaspoon of salt in water. Now close your pressure cooker and keep it on high heat. Wait for 3 whistles. Once your pressure cooker cools down naturally, open it carefully. You can see this corn is fully ready. For even better taste, put some black salt on the lemon and rub it against the corn. Just like sweet potatoes, corns are really good for the health and it's a really great breakfast. For the next breakfast option, you need to boil some water. Once your water starts boiling, add eggs. You can cover it and keep it on heat for around 8 to 10 minutes. After exactly 10 minutes, turn off the heat and wait for 5 minutes so that this water gets cooled down a bit. After 5 minutes, you can start peeling the eggs. You won't have a hard time while peeling the eggs if you will follow the same steps. These boiled eggs are really good for the body and you can enjoy it with hot beverage like tea or coffee. For the next morning breakfast, you can make the pudas, which is also known as chillas. I have already made a video, so I am not going to repeat it, but you can check it on my channel. For the next morning breakfast, you will again need eggs and you can make egg sandwiches. I have already made a video on how to make egg sandwich in 5 minutes, which you can check out on my channel. For the next morning breakfast, you can make poha. Poha is really popular in some states of India, so you can check it out. It may take a while, but guys, it tastes really good. I have already made a full-fledged video on poha, which you can check out again on my channel. For the last morning breakfast, you will need some prep work the previous night. Start with soaking 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Add 1/3 cup of water and be sure you mix your chia seeds with the water. Now let's cover it and keep it aside. Take few walnuts and few almonds. Soak these as well and keep it aside. Next, I will soak oats. These oats are optional, but they will keep you full during the day. I will add 3 tablespoons of oats and add 1/3 cup of water. Now let's keep it aside and wait till the morning. All the prep work I have done last night was for 2 persons. So firstly add your chia seeds. Add approximately half of the chia seeds. Next add your oats. Again take out half. Next add yogurt. I am using flavored yogurt here, but you can also opt for the plain one. Add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Now let's mix all of this together. Next add some blueberries. You can also include raspberry, banana or any other fruit here. Next I will add the walnut and almonds. I like to peel my almonds, so I would do that first. Optionally, you can also add pumpkin seeds. You can add any other kind of seeds in this breakfast, and this is one of the most nutrient rich and healthy breakfast in my list, so you can get creative with it. Additionally, if you have used plain yogurt, add some honey on the top and enjoy guys. I have tried to include all the healthy options for the morning breakfast, so do like this video and let me know if you have any other breakfast options. I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.